Just wanted to show you my Sapodilla Nispero tree right here. It's got a lot of fruit right now. Some big ones up there. They're all over the place. On the bottom right there. Go around so you can see it. Got some smaller ones. And got some bigger ones. Here. You see more there. More up there. If you've never had it, you should try it. It's very sweet. It has like a brownish inside. And like I said, it's very sweet, so pretty sure you'll like it. It's got a bunch of them up there too. Looking forward to it. To me, they're almost like a dessert because they're very sweet. It's a pretty hardy tree. After I get my fruit now, I'll have to trim it. This has gotten pretty tall, but I'll give it a good trim on the top, and I leave it so it can spread on the bottom, and then cut the top so you can get more light and air circulation into it. And I can't let them get that tall either. I'm in a hurricane zone, so and I can't get the fruit up there anyway, so might as well leave them around 14, 15 feet, and that's about it. Same thing here with this avocado. It's got a bunch of avocados up there. This is the lula. So once I get the harvest on this one, I'll cut it down. Anyway, just wanted to show you, give you an update on the tree and the fruit production on it. Thanks for watching. God bless.